Welcome back to the Indian weather forecast. First weather features the western disturbance which is over Jammu and Kashmir. So scattered rainfall and snowfall will occur over eastern parts of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttaranchal. Thereafter this western disturbance will clear and move towards Himalayan region. The induced cyclonic circulation which is over northern parts of Rajasthan and its adjoining areas. So due to this, warm weather conditions will continue over Rajasthan and Gujarat regions during the next 24 hours. Its cyclonic circulation which have been persisting over Uttar Pradesh and its neighborhood areas. In association with this, the convergence of the winds which extended from Punjab through the Haryana up to this circulation, and another convergence zone which extended from western parts of Assam through the North Bangladesh, Jharkhand, South Bihar up to this circulation. So due to this, day and night temperature will increases significantly over Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar regions. The temperature may rise up to plus 1 to 2 degrees Celsius. The cyclonic circulation which is over Gujarat and its adjoining areas. In association with this, the convergence of the winds which extended from this circulation up to the Kerala through the coastal regions of Maharashtra, Goa, coastal regions of Karnataka up to the Kerala. So the winds from the Bay of Bengal and from the Arabian Sea will feed in moisture and cause light rainfall over coastal regions of Maharashtra, Goa, coastal and central regions of Karnataka and Kerala. Scattered rainfall may possible over South Gujarat and South Interior Karnataka. And maybe the rainfall activity is only confined to the hilly regions. So now look at the rainfall activity during the last 24 hours. Light to moderate rainfall precipitated over Nepal, Sikkim, Bhutan, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Meghalaya, north coast of Andhra Pradesh, coastal regions of Maharashtra, Goa, coastal regions of Karnataka, Kerala and southern parts of Tamil Nadu. Scattered rainfall precipitated over Uttaranchal, southern parts of Chhattisgarh, northern parts of Karnataka and Telangana. So coming to the forecast, heavy rainfall expected over eastern parts of Bangladesh and northern parts of Tripura. Light to moderate rainfall expected over Nepal, Sikkim, Bhutan, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Meghalaya, northern parts of Bangladesh, north coast of Andhra Pradesh, coastal regions of Maharashtra, Goa, coastal and central regions of Karnataka and Kerala. Scattered rainfall expected over eastern parts of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal, South Gujarat and southern parts of Karnataka. So that's the weather forecast for the next 24 hours. Keep watching the Indian weather forecast for further updates.